Man must prepare for the thing he has asked for when there isn't the slightest sign of it in sight. The subconscious mind has no sense of humor, and people often joke themselves into unhappy experiences. You must form the habit of living in the fourth dimension, the world of the wondrous. It is the world where you do not judge by appearances. Make an affirmation immediately upon waking. For example, "Thy will be done this day. Today is a day of completion. I give thanks for this perfect day. Miracle shall follow miracle, and wonders shall never cease." Make this a habit, and one will see wonders and miracles come into his life. If you do not run your subconscious mind, someone else will run it for you. A keen observer of life once said, "No man can fail if some one person sees him successful." Such is the power of the vision, and many a great man owed his success to a wife or sister or a friend who believed in him and held without wavering to the perfect pattern. The only person to change is yourself. As you change, all the conditions around you will change. People will change. When you are undisturbed by a situation, it falls away of its own weight. Spiritual development means the ability to stand still or stand aside and let infinite intelligence lift your burdens and fight your battles. The trouble with most people is that they want to know the way and the channels beforehand. They want to tell Supreme Intelligence just how their prayers should be answered. They do not trust the wisdom and ingenuity of God. Every great work, every big accomplishment has been brought into manifestation through holding to the vision, and often just before the big achievement comes failure and discouragement.